Earlier today, I was picking the last of my peaches off my peach tree, and I realized that I have not made a peach cobbler recipe for you guys. So in today's video, we are going to be baking a peach cobbler. So let's go spice things up.
Alright, so what I'm doing right here is I'm peeling and slicing 8 peaches. Okay, so to the same bowl, we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, which is about 3 dashes. Next, we are going to use this maple cinnamon spice. We got this spice from our friends at FreshJax. They sent me a box of assorted spices that are so delicious. So I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of this maple cinnamon spice. However, if you do not have this on hand, you can just use 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. But trust me, this is gonna make it taste even better. I'm gonna add that to the bowl. Now you wanna stir all these ingredients together, and the sugars will bring the juices out of the peaches. So now that your ingredients are mixed well together, you wanna go ahead and just set this bowl aside and start on the dry ingredients. All right, so now we are gonna mix the dry ingredients. So we're gonna add 2 cups of flour, a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 sticks of cold butter, and this I already cut up. Now you want to get a pastry blender and mix these well so it is kind of a coarse or crumbly texture, just like this. All right, so now we will want a 1/2 cup of boiling hot water. And then mix all the ingredients together so it is kind of doughy. Just like this. All right, so we're gonna bake our cobbler in this 8x11 glass pan. So you wanna just spread this out, the peaches out, spread them evenly. And now we're gonna take our dough and just kind of put it over the top. It doesn't have to be perfect. It will spread out as it cooks. All right, just like this. All right, so we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. All right, guys, it has been 30 minutes. And if you can see, it is golden brown on the top and it is bubbling up on the sides. That is a good indicator it is done.
That's the last step. Just adding a little whipped cream to it. Fresh out of the oven, nice and warm. Using up some fresh peaches from my tree. So good. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you'd like to see any more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.